What's up, everyone? If you are looking for hosting a discount in 2024, then you are on the right video, because in this video, I'm going to give you two of the finest coupon codes to get amazing hosting a discount. Plus, I will also suggest you a few of the best plans of hosting a. So stay with me on this video, because in this video, I'm going to tell you step by step how you can grab an amazing discount while buying your hosting from Hostinger. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on an amazing discount link, you will be entitled to a page like this. Here you can see about hosting reviews on different, like this is their premium plan. If you scroll below, you can see about hosting reviews on different websites like Trustpilot 4.6 out of 5, which is a very good rating. 4.5 out of 5 on Google, hosted by 4.6 out of 5, amazing rating. You can even see for Trustpilot. Okay, I'm not saying that all of the reviews are positive with 5-star reviews, but if in case if there is any negative review, hosting offers 30 days money back guarantee, so you can claim it. Also, in case if is there any negative review, Hostinger make sure to quickly address them as soon as possible, which is the thing I personally like a lot. So while it's getting loaded, I'm going to show you their three most popular plans. So these are their three most popular plans: premium, business, and cloud startup. You can offer any plan. In case if you're looking for hosting a discount, I'm going to tell you how you can grab discount on any plan. In case if you want other plan, you can simply select hosting and select other plans. Okay, once you are done with this, you can see we are back on the reviews as well. So everyone almost praising them. You can see that major reviews are 5-star reviews, everyone praising them. So you can see that Hostinger got amazing reviews. So now let me get back to you the plans. Do your research on what functions, features you may need. For instance, some plans have daily backup, some has weekly backup, some has SSD storage, some has NVMe storage, some are coming with WooCommerce, some without WooCommerce, some has automatic website migration, one-click WordPress installation. These are some of the features are constant in all of the plans. And then they all of the plans have no code website builder with 150 design crafted templates, which is another good option as well. Amazing security features, especially you are getting DDoS protection in all of the plans. You are getting 30 days money back guarantee, 99.9% uptime guarantee, and you have access to global data centers. Like you can host your website in different countries, and they provide maximized website speed with their light speed web server technology, which makes, like, if your website is hosted on Hostinger, it will be at least three times faster, three times if you faster as compared to competitor, which is a very good add-on with Hostinger. So now select your plan to get Hostinger discount. Let's say we are going with this plan. You can select any plan. This Hostinger discount is going to work with any plan, so you can choose your plan according to your functions or features you may need. Once you select the add to cart, and you will be redirected to another page which is being loaded. Okay, on that page you are going to see the summary of what you are going to buy from Hostinger. So here you can see the summary. Now choose your billing period. Hostinger offer 4 billing periods, and 48 months is the cheapest option. It's a never miss deal, because it's not going to appear again. So enjoy your hosting with this amazing deal. Once you select your billing period, you can again select any plan according to your budget. Then you can create your account at Hostinger by writing your email ID, or you can synchronize with your Google or Facebook account. Once you are done with this, select your payment method. Hostinger offer various payment methods, so you have ample of options to choose. You can pay a credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, CoinGate, and in some countries, Hostinger also offer country specific plans. So make sure once you click on the link in the description, it will be automatically redirected for your country. And then now this is the main part. Look at the current pricing right now. I'm going to tell you the Hostinger discount through which you can get further discount on this existing already discounted deals. So this coupon code is written in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Once you apply it, you are going to see that a price got a further discount. So that was already discounted price, and this got a further discount. So there is another Hostinger discount, so you can use this one as well. This is also mentioned in the description of this video. And once you write it, simply select the apply button, and you're gonna see that a price got a further discount. So if you're looking to buy hosting from Hostinger, then make sure to use this Hostinger discount to get amazing deal while buying your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck with your hosting with Hostinger.